Okay, day 6 of flying the drone in about 10 or 15 mile an hour wind in the driveway. Every time I got it out in the wind, wham, it would go on its own, and here it fell down, had to go get it. And another attempt, so, and another crash coming up here. Had to cut this one out of the top of a big bush. One of the accidents might have been the last one. It ended up underneath the Tahoe in the garage. There's another crash that went into the small bushes. Here I'm losing control of it. I think it's just getting too far away and too much wind. And I set it down at the end of the driveway. And probably here's coming up at least another 10 crashes I had today. About half the videos don't come out. Not sure why yet. Only about half of them do come out. I'm coming down the wind and crashing again. So I'm trying to power 3, which is the highest power on it, and it seems to do better. Anyways, another crash, and over and out.